Hi, so I'm Ryan Phelps. I'm with a Smart Tutor group. And I'm just going to be teaching how to use the AI feature with Quizlet. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. Uh, all right. So to start, basically, you want to have either a document downloaded, and one of the cool things is it doesn't need to be in like a certain format, usually like Quizlet would need to be. So usually you would need to have like a document set and then like a term and a definition, as you can see right here, maybe a dash in between. So with Smart Assist, you can take any study guide. And so I'm just going to delete it just to show how to do it. So you click File or Google Drive, whatever you want to do. So take this, wait for it to download. All right, I'm going to press Create. So this document didn't necessarily have the term definition format like you would usually need to do for Quizlet. So it was just a normal study guide with like honestly writing a paragraph. So I can show it right now actually. So yeah, as you can see, it's not in any specific format. Um, yeah, it creates terms and definitions and helps you study. So I hope my video was helpful. Some pros of this are obviously you don't need to format anything. Some cons are it's a little different because you're only using terms and definitions, and you might not be. It might not help you learn the entire concept. Um, But if you're learning terms and definitions and just want to go for straight memorization, this is definitely a very good tool to use. So I hope this was helpful um, yeah, and thank you.